Hello, Clay and I are going to give you a tour of what we did in Ogunquit. We stayed here for a week. We were still working. Our lease was up, so we stayed in an Airbnb. We got in really late the first night, and then we decided to wake up early in the morning before work and go for a walk. And we discovered the most gorgeous walk you could imagine. I highly recommend checking this walk out. It follows the main coastline for a good amount of distance and it has the most gorgeous views. On our first night, of course, we had to get a lobster roll, so we got it at Pepper's Seafood and we brought it to the beach and sat on these interlock chairs and enjoyed our meal. Clayla worked late one of the nights, so I was on my own, so I did some sightseeing and then he brought home takeout. We ate at a couple other restaurants that were really nice in town after work, and they were the Treehouse Taqueria and Beachfire Bar and Grill. Both places were excellent places to eat. My final day with students was on a Friday, and when Clay and I came home, we went for a bike ride and sat down on the beach, and we had a little celebration drink and enjoyed the view and talked about what we're gonna do with our life now that we are semi-retired, I guess you would call it. We ended the evening with the perfect spot, the front porch piano bar. You've got to go there. If you go to Ogunquit, put it on your list. And on the way home, we bought some cheesecake at the Bar Harbor Cheesecake Factory. It was so good.
Yes, and then you also got a jelly, right?
We stashed our finds and took them to a beach to enjoy. Another really awesome place to eat in Ogunquit is Bricks and Brine. We had a wonderful meal there, and if you're gluten-free, they can absolutely accommodate you. Our Airbnb had everything we needed. It was across from the Ogunquit Playhouse. We didn't end up going there, but it's certainly a place that you should visit if you are in Ogunquit. For our final dinner, we went back to Pepper's Seafood. We really enjoyed the lobster roll there, and we wanted to try something else that was on the menu because there were so many awesome items on the menu, and we had a great meal. And now we'll entertain you with a tour from our e-bikes and a little bit of what we saw along the way when we got off and walked around and when we went to the beach. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.